Omni Aircraft Sales is proud to bring to the market this 2016 Learjet 75 located in Tulsa, Oklahoma. This aircraft has had only one owner since new and has been well maintained and is ready for immediate delivery. The engines and APU are on MSP. The aircraft is also under manufacturer's warranty until December 2021. It is equipped with a GoGoBiz ATG 5000 Wi-Fi, satellite XM radio, one Ford 12-inch LCD monitor, takeoff and landing performance databases, and has structural and wiring provisions. The aircraft is configured with 8 cabin seats and 1 aft belted lavatory, plus the pilot and co-pilot seat. The interior is gorgeous with its tapestry Geneve carpet, leather seats, and its quarter comp black ebony woodwork. This Learjet 75 has a total of 5 electrical 110-volt outlets, and USB outlets can be found at each seating location. The exterior has the base color of Matterhorn white with storm cloud gray and deep red stripes. If you're in the market for a Learjet 75 that is reliable, well-maintained, and loaded with features that provide top performance and comfort, this aircraft is for you. Contact the experts at Omni Aircraft Sales today.